I really love to make my home a reflection of the seasons, and summer is no exception. Keep watching and I'll show you how it's done. Hi, I'm Kim of Martin-MadeTV. It's finally summer and I'm so excited. Summer has got to be my absolute favorite season of the year ever. Primarily because my birthday's in summer, but also because of the warm weather, because of the long days, trips to the beach, ice cream. But ice cream is really like a year-round thing for me. But anyway, I still really love summer. And today I'm going to show you my go-to summer home essentials. Let's get started. My number one essential for summer is bringing the outdoors in. That means sunshine and fresh air all day long. Opening the windows to let in some fresh air, opening the blinds to let in some light and sunshine is key for me. It rids your space of the staleness that air conditioning can sometimes leave in the air. Every morning I'm raising every single window as high as I possibly can. Before the sun is full blast, there's usually a pretty nice breeze going, and it's a great way to get the fresh air in and to bring the outdoors inside. Fresh air is key. And this leads to my second essential, fragrance. Good home fragrance is something that's usually pretty high on my list year-round. However, there are different things I use depending on the weather. Sometimes in summer, candles can kind of make the air feel a little too hot. Maybe it's in my head, maybe it's a reality, I don't know, but the air feels extra muggy when I use candles indoors. So I don't do that typically a lot in the summertime. In the summer, I like to use fragrance lamps. Fragrance lamps are a great way to oxidize the air, to really freshen it up, and to infuse some great smells and great scents throughout your home. And like I said, though nothing really beats a good breeze flowing through your house, sometimes it's just too hot outside and there's really no breeze, or you need to keep that AC running so that you can survive. So fragrance lamps give you that essential scent and freshness that you need in the air. And like I said, they actually do purify the air. I'm going to leave a link below to some information about fragrance lamps, how they work, and how they might best suit you in your home. Next up, essential number 3, greenery. If you know me or follow me on Instagram or anything, you know that I love plants. I always have plants throughout my spaces. I really like fresh cut flowers also. Greenery really helps to bring in that airiness and that really fresh, vibrant feeling that we all love about summer. Studies show that just one plant can purify up to 100 square feet of indoor air pollution. So it's really great to have them around. And I guess I just really have a thing for clean air. Number 4, a cool drink to sip on. I normally drink a ton of water, and in the summer that gets bumped up tenfold. So mixing in refreshing drinks is essential for me. And those would be things like infused waters or teas, nice crisp seltzer water. And I also really love a good cold brew. If it's crisp, refreshing, and on ice, I am here for it. These all help to keep your water intake up during the sweltering temperatures. Keeping your water intake up prevents dehydration, and dehydration can lead to nausea, migraines, and a ton of other not so fun things that will ruin a beautiful summer day real quick. My favorite is definitely cold brew, or maybe like an iced Americano. I'll leave a link down below to my favorite recipe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your go-to refreshing drink is. And last but not least, number 5 is outdoor space. I know I listed all those other things about what I really love about summer, but I think what's key for me is outdoor space. I especially love it when the days are long and it's still sunny and bright out at like 8 p.m. And here in the Northeast, we don't get that, year round. So when it comes, I definitely like to capitalize. For me, that means spending the most time outdoors as possible. So my last essential focuses on making the most of your outdoor space at home with a relaxing outdoor seating area. Now I know this one is pretty broad and some of us have more or less space than others, but no matter the size, as long as there's a comfy spot, some shade, and a place to sit my drink down, I am good to go. Definitely an essential for me in the warm weather. So what are some of your summer essentials? I'm dying to know. Let me know down below what season is your favorite and what are your go-to essentials for those times of year in your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making your house the home you love. Also join my newsletter for updates and access to many more home decor tips and tricks.